यूथ ऑफ GSB ऑडियन्सांका नमस्कार. आमगेल समाजाचे मस्त सकट विशयू तुमकां सांगता आसताची. यांची जानेवारी 28 इंडियाक मोरॉकन एम्बेसेडर जावन आशिल्ले मोहम्मद मलिकी हांणी द हॉनररी कॉन्सुलेट ऑफ द किंगडम ऑफ मोरॉको इनॉग्रेट केले. बेंगलोरांतू हाचे कार्यक्रम पुरो जाले. प्रताप मधुकर कामत आभरण टाइमलेस ज्वेलरीचे मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हांकां हॉनररी कॉन्सूल ऑफ मोरॉको म्हणून डिक्लेअर केले. हे विशय सांगूक यूथ ऑफ GSB मस्त खूश पावत आसा. आभरण टाइमलेस ज्वेलरी बेंगलोराचे मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर प्रताप मधुकर कामत हांनी सांगचे प्रकार मोरॉको आनी इंडियाचे बायलॅटरल रिलेशन लायक करून आसुका आनी मस्त इन्वेस्टमेंट दोन कडेन जावका आनी टुरिजम सेक्टरांतू मस्त काम जावका म्हणल खातीर हें एक आवश्यकता आशिल्लें म्हणल विशयू तांगेल तर्फेन आमकां कळ्ळें. हें प्रोग्राम बेंगलोरांतू ऑर्गनायज केलेलें. हें प्रोग्राम इंग्लीश भाशेर आसल्यारी आमगेले समाजाचेकल्यान इतली व्हड पोजिशन आजी घेतला म्हळ्यार हें एपिसोड तुमकां मी दाखोवका जाता. हाची प्रोग्रामांतू कसो पुरो जाल्ली म्हूण आमी आतां पळोवया.
So I extend a warm welcome to the inauguration of the Honorary Consulate of the Kingdom of Morocco in Bangalore. Incidentally, the consulate in Bangalore is the third in India after Mumbai and Kolkata. Our esteemed audiences present here this evening include foremost the Honorable Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco, members of the diplomatic community, industrial and institutional representatives and friends. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to this evening's program. This morning, as you are aware, the consulate was inaugurated, and this evening we are gathered here for the appointment of Dr. Pratap Madhukar Kamath as the Honorary Consul of the Kingdom of Morocco in Karnataka. Without much ado, I would now like to request the dignitaries and the members of the audience to kindly rise for the national anthem. At the outset, we will now be playing the Indian national anthem. the national anthem of Morocco.
I would now like to request Mrs. Pratap Kamath, Director Abharana, to welcome the esteemed members of the audience.
His Excellency, the Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco to India, and his team of, and Madam Mohammed Maliki, and His Excellency's team of Council members, Consulate members, and all our dear friends from Chamber of Commerce, from BTC, and our discerning customers and friends who have supported us and brought us to this, and media, to each one of you, my hearty welcome. At the outset, I must say, I must congratulate His Excellency for choosing, for taking a decision to start this Honorary Consul office in South India, that too in Bangalore, a vibrant, beautiful, nice place for all the businesses and also cultural things. And also thank him for choosing Pratap Kamath as Honorary Consul. That's it. And then my heart now fills with joy in welcoming you all to this occasion. As we have seen just now, it was the office is inaugurated, and we expect, we will surely assure our dear Pratap will live up to the expectations of us from here, from India and from the Kingdom of Morocco in bringing closer ties, trade relations, economic and cultural relationships. And I thank him for His Excellency for this one. I welcome you all heartily, and my joy goes out of this one in welcoming you all, seeing you all present here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mrs. Kamath. I would now like to request His Excellency Mr. Mohammed Maliki, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco, to kindly address the august audience.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن والاه إلى يوم الدين بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Namaskar. A very good evening to all of you. It's a wonderful feeling to see the pride of mother seeing her son being given a new job, a new challenge. She says him as always his young, small boy, making his own way. But also I see him as a blessed boy. And then you can see the blessings of the parents in the eyes and the deeds of the children. This also introduced me to what the Moroccan team in the World Cup did. The values which they have brought, the values they have shared. And then probably people have known Moroccan much better after the World Cup than they misunderstood him before that. Today definitely will be in the hearts and then will be a milestone marking date for many of you, but especially for at least 3 I know. Pratap himself, because from now on he will be addressed much more as the Moroccan Consul instead of calling him the Pratap Kamath. So that part will be removed. Then of course his family, on the top of which his mother and his wife and his children, which I want to thank them for supporting, for the support also for bringing this enterprise into such lovely India. Then of course me, because I was afraid that probably I would leave India before terminating, at least completing this job, which I was pursuing alone with my colleagues. In all these, the inauguration of this Honorary Consul comes as a result. It comes as a crowning of a long and fine journey we have had in terms of bilateral relations. And then to give you some small figures, in the last 5 years we tripled our trade from 1.2 billion to today $3.2 billion. In terms of investments, we also moved in 2015 from 13 companies, Indian companies which are based in Morocco, to today 41 companies, and in the next 3-4 months there will be 44 companies. Let's cross our fingers. That's why the widening of the outreach of diplomatic presence has been widened from Mumbai to Kolkata, then naturally, because of the way, because of the share that Karnataka has in the business community, but also in the interest it's getting and it's growing higher and higher, it was completely natural that we also think of having a permanent representative who will be at the service of both Moroccans and Indians in providing information, but also in the Moroccan community while being in India. I didn't know Pratap before, a good friend, and today I want to pay him a very special tribute. Mohem Suresh, a good friend of the family, a good friend of mine, and I think I would never thank him enough for having honestly proposed to us a very fine, very generous person, very kind, very young as well. And that's a very important element which can help because he would grow into job. But also I have seen him, he in fact has been working as the council even before being nominated. That was my own test of him, but he has cross-checked all the things I was looking for a person. And then to be honest, I can tell you a little bit of a truth. Normally, I always send 3 to 4 profiles. But I was convinced by his profile that I didn't send any other except him. So I did my own selection. And I'm proud to have him embarked in this job with us. And also when I see how he treats his family, I become even much sure of the choice I have had. So I wish him honestly all the best. As long as I'm here or I'm outside the country, I'll always be a great support for him. And then he can rely on us. He has become part of us. And I'm sure that he will have a bright future. And then he is lucky in the sense that he comes in a very timely moment. Because of our relations, because of the excellent connections we have with the Indian government from both the central level and the state levels. So he will not have any difficulty. And I have seen in the eyes of people, in the eyes of the officials in the state here in Karnataka, how much they connect with Morocco very easily. And also, he has been lucky because now he has been known as one of the top finalists of the World Cup, so he just abused of it and used it as much as he can. So feel free to ask us. Always, there are two people who will never learn. Two categories of people who will never learn. And wholeness, as I said this morning to your mom, is only for God. We all move, we all make mistakes, but we learn from our mistakes. So those two people are the arrogant and the shy. The arrogant thinks always he knows everything. And then the shy because he feels that people will maybe laugh or whatever. It's a phase of learning. I am learning every day. Believe me, I am learning from you, from my colleagues, from everybody. Because you should be open-minded. This is a new job for you. We'll help you all, and Suresh is your mentor. And then I want you all please to give Mr. Mohan Suresh a very big rose of applause. First because he is a friend, but I have heard that he counts quite a lot in the state. That he knows every politician, that everybody respects him, that he has never, I have never heard no in his mouth. It's always, yes, I'll try, it will be done, it will be so easy to do. And I like people who have this positive energy. And then for that I trust him like a blind in proposing, but also in making some of the actions we have done. The last but not least, you have very hot feet because I have a very long list of actions that have been taken with the state of Karnataka. Very soon, few ministers coming here, few actions, the air show. So just be prepared and then to jump and dive deep into the job, and then we'll do it. Once again, congratulations to you, my best wishes, congratulations to your family. What is the wife of the council? Madam, congratulations to your children, to everybody, and I'm Shafi, and welcome to the board, on board. Welcome to Morocco, and thank you for coming all to this lovely evening. I thank you for listening.
Thank you. So I would now like to request Dr. Pratap Kamath, officially the Honorary Consul of Kingdom of Morocco in Karnataka, to kindly present the word of thanks.
Yellow Namaskara. Your Excellency, the Ambassador of His Majesty, the King of Morocco, Mr. Mohammed Maliki, Madam Mohammed Maliki, my beloved colleagues from the diplomat community, distinguished industry and institutional representatives, special invitees and friends. It is indeed an honor and a special privilege for me to extend a hearty welcome to all of you to this very special moment in my life. I wish to express my deepest gratitude to His Excellency, the Ambassador, for his kind deeds and action in appointing me as an Honorary Consul of the Kingdom of Morocco in Bangalore. Morocco has a special place in the community of nations and is an important player in the African continent. India and Morocco enjoy great socio-political, economic and cultural relations. Both nations are part of the non-aligned movement. Our bilateral relations have witnessed significant depth and growth over the decades. Your Excellency, you have contributed greatly to the efforts of deepening our bilateral relations. Your Excellency, your kind gesture bestowed upon me as the Honorary Consul in Bangalore has vested great strength in me and even greater responsibility, which I humbly acknowledge. I look upon your continuous guidance and direction in fulfilling my duties and performing my role in the best possible manner. I rely on the cooperation of my friends from the business and diplomatic community as well as officials of the government, in particular the state of Karnataka. Karnataka contributes significantly to the bilateral trade and investment. We shall continue to put our efforts towards expanding these ties and partnerships, particularly in the immense opportunity areas such as IT, chemicals, green energy, environment, healthcare, education, scientific research, tourism, textiles, manufacturing, and agriculture. The domain of startups is yet another opportune area. Friends, our agenda is clear and candid, yet flexible. I envisage my role as the Honorary Consul to place our endeavors towards promoting our bilateral economic and cultural relations between Karnataka and Morocco. I have a few technical facts to share, and among the initiatives and activities which we may undertake under your guidance, Your Excellency, I have planned include promoting partnerships through organizing trade and investment delegations to Morocco, receiving delegations from Morocco and facilitating B2B meetings, starting from the first few as you mentioned a few minutes ago, organizing awareness sessions and seminars on opportunity areas, participating in trade shows and exhibitions, disseminating business information, extending support to students from Morocco, strengthening cordial relations and building bridges of friendship through cultural events, tourism, and people-to-people contact programs, facilitating collaboration in education and research, leveraging on the digital and social media to intensify and expand our outreach, and many other possibilities under your guidance, Excellency. I certainly look upon the support of our friends, many of them who are present here today, from industry bodies such as FICCI, CII, FKCCI, BCIC, CASIA, NASCOM, ABLE, educational institutions, and other stakeholders. I lay a special emphasis on the cooperation of media. Well, friends, I wish to express my deepest gratitude from the bottom of my heart to Ambassador and Madam for making this day a momentous occasion in my life. I thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen. A special mention for the support I have received from senior colleague Mr. Mohan Suresh, as Ambassador mentioned a few minutes ago. Mr. Mohan Suresh, who is the Honorary Consul of Rwanda, has guided and mentored me at every stage. I'm very grateful to you, sir, and thank you for everything. Mr. Suresh Vaswani, Honorary Consul of Luxembourg, sir, thank you very much for everything. Mr. Mahesh Shetty, Honorary Consul of Djibouti, who has helped me and guided me on several issues whenever I reached out to him, and each and every member of the diplomatic community, ACCD in Bangalore, who has helped me. Thank you very much to all of you. I have two more people I'd like to mention who are very important for me in my life. They came much later in my life when I was a businessman, but I'd like to make mention. One is Mr. K.C. Jairaj, who is not present here, and Mr. Harish Naik, for all their support and encouragement. Thank you, sirs. Thank you to both of you. I thank my family for being with me as a great source of strength, inspiration, and support. My dad is not here. He's not able to attend the program. Thank you, Papa. You have been a role model to me. Thank you, Mama. You have been great strength to me. I am what I am because of you. I would like to thank each and every friend and well-wisher who is present here today. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, madam. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my wife Preeti and my children Sanyukta, Sarayu and Shiv. I am made out of your love and affection. Let us continue this journey with great joy and zeal. Thank you, everyone.
Once again, on behalf of all of us present here, a big congratulations to Mr. Kamath and a big round of applause, please. We have a short cultural program, and while the artist is prepping up, I'd like to just tell you a few salient things about the land of Morocco, and after that the dance program will proceed. Thereafter, please do join us for dinner and a cocktail. So, how long will the artist stay? A couple of minutes, right? All right. So, Morocco is credited to be the oldest nation state in the world, established nearly 12 and a half centuries ago. So, there is a lot of history and culture that needs to be explored in Morocco by the outside world. And other than that, there is a great India and Morocco connection through Ibn Battuta. All of us who studied history a little religiously are aware of who Ibn Battuta is. So he visited India during the reign of the Tughlaq dynasty and recorded his observations extensively on the political, cultural and economic situation that prevailed during that period. Besides, Morocco boasts of the oldest university, which is still thriving today, and mind you, it was established by women, right? And an Indian king who visited Morocco was taken in by one of the mosques called Qutubiyya, and he was so impressed by the mosque that he commissioned the architect of this mosque to come to India and build a mosque in India for his Muslim subjects. And this is in a place called Kapur Tala. There is also a replica of this mosque in Spain, incidentally. Besides this, Morocco has been the #1 tourist destination in Africa. So I think we all have a new country in our bucket list. So in the coming years, all of us should, I guess, visit Morocco as tourists. So there is a surprise for you. We are having a performer who is performing the Tanura dance, which is a folkloric dance very common in Islamic nations, traditionally performed by the Sufi saints, set to Sufi music, and today it is being performed by Artur. And many of our Bollywood movies have showcased Sufi music and Sufi dance in a big way, so to that extent we are familiar, and I think large audiences have been taken in by the sheer beauty and mysticism of this particular dance and music form. So I invite our artists to kindly come and perform for us this evening.
कार्यक्रमांतू मस्त जनान भाग घेतिल्ले. इतली व्हड पोजिशन मेळ्ळें प्रताप कामताका यूथ ऑफ GSB तर्फेन आमी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आसाची. व्हिडिओ पळोवन तुमकांय मस्त खूश जावन आसला रे. लायक, शेअर, कमेंट खंडीत कराची. व्हिडिओ पळयले खातीर धन्यवाद. देव बरें करो.